Topic: Checking ID. Module objectives. After completing this module, you will understand: number 1, how to identify minors. Number 2, acceptable forms of identification in Texas State. Number 3, the unacceptable forms of identification in Texas State. Number 4, detail of the Texas driver's license card. Number 5, the 10-point checking system. Number 6, what to look for on a suspect ID. And number 7, how to deny service to a minor. You will also understand the keys to customer observation concerning minors to decide if a sale of alcohol is legal, which are: number 1, see how they look. If they look like a minor, they probably are a minor. Number 2, see what they do. Watch how your customer acts. Number 3, see how they react. Watch how your customer interacts with you and others. One of the most important duties you will have in serving alcohol is not allowing minors to purchase, possess, or consume an alcoholic beverage. In order to possess, consume, or purchase, you must be 21 years of age or older. You, as a server, the only way that you can ensure that your guest is 21 years of age or older is by checking their identification. Because the visual look, sometimes it's obvious they're not 21 years of age or older. Other times, not so obvious. In order to possess, consume, or purchase alcohol, you must be 21 years of age or older, unless, as described in Module 4, the person is in the visible presence of his or her adult parent, guardian, or spouse. The visible presence means that the parent, guardian, or spouse has to be in the room the whole time the minor is consuming. If the adult leaves the minor, the alcohol must be taken from the minor. But remember, the minor cannot purchase the alcohol for themselves or anyone else. In fact, they cannot order alcoholic beverages for those who are not minors. Even though it is Texas law that you do not have to see an ID before selling or serving alcohol to an individual, it is in the best interest of your own personal life and your place of business to see ID for anyone who appears to be less than 30 years of age. Characteristics of minors. If a person has the physical characteristics of a minor, they likely are a minor. However, the opposite is not true. People mature at different rates. Many minors may have physical characteristics of an adult. Don't be fooled. Physical characteristics of minors. Minors generally have common physical characteristics. The following is a list of some characteristics: immature physical appearance, little or no facial hair in boys, undeveloped appearance of girls. The skin complexion, smooth, unlined faces. Be aware that not all minors have these physical characteristics, and do not rely on them solely to identify a minor. Some minor males may have beards and mustaches. Some minor males are big, which may make them appear older. And some minor females may wear makeup or clothing that makes them appear older. Fads and fashions of minors. Minors tend to dress in the latest fads and fashion trends. These will change frequently. Some other things to look for are school uniforms, class rings, too much makeup, trendy hairstyles, behaviors and reactions of minors. Certain behavior patterns may also be characteristic of minors or people that may purchase alcohol for minors. They may appear nervous. They might not make eye contact with you. They're self-conscious about their appearance. Some minors act very confident and sure of themselves while attempting to purchase alcohol. Young people gathering in groups and sending one to make a purchase. Young people approaching adults that are on their way to make a purchase. A minor might also display one or more of these characteristic reactions: being nervous or insecure, being overly friendly or acting cool, not making eye contact or trying to hide their face, checking the area or glancing around, showing an ID but trying to put it away quickly.